So it just wouldn't be a trip to the brothers if we didn't do a project. So he's got some lowering shackles for the back of this thing to try and level it out a little bit. That means in order to get the leaf spring bolts out, you got to take the trailer hitch off. Let's see what we can get into tonight. But at least it's a Florida truck. It's pretty clean underneath, so maybe we'll have some luck. So the frame has these 4 bolts on either side. First we got to drop those down, and then the shackles, you got 2 bolts, but the bottom one is going to hit this. Once we can get that undone, I think we can lift the top up so that the bolt will slide above the frame. At least that's what we're hoping for. Gotta love a clean Southern rust-free truck. All the bolts, once you break them loose, at least the ones that don't have factory rubber undercoating stuff on them, you can spin them with your fingers. Pretty slick. Okay, now that we got the lower bolt out, trying to get the upper bolt out, and I thought if I let the leaf spring touch the bottom of the box, I'd be able to get it out in the slot above. However, it's just not quite high enough due to that pinch weld. So we're going to take his Dremel tool, cut that pinch weld in a couple of spots, and then bend over that metal so that the leaf spring can sit flat up against the bed floor. That should give us enough clearance, I hope.